In this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the void method. A void method is a method that doesn't return data, but is instead used for the effects it creates in the code in the method's definition. To write a void method, you start out first with the keyword static, and then instead of the return data type, you write the keyword void. For this particular method, we're going to write a heading that we could use in output of our program or anywhere we need some sort of identification. So here we'll put the name heading followed by open and close parentheses because we're not going to have any parameters for this method. In the method definition, all I'm going to do is write out a heading. So for example, a heading could consist of a row of asterisks followed by perhaps my name, somewhat centered in the heading, although maybe not exactly. I'm not worried about how it looks. Maybe the date, and then another row of asterisks at the bottom. Now, having written that, wherever I want to use the heading, I simply reference it in the main program. Just like that. Notice you have to put the parentheses there, even though there's no data being passed into the method. So let's run this program, and it prints my heading. Void methods can take parameters. So what I could have done is I could have provided two parameters here and then changed the method definition. It's going to be hard to get this exactly right, and we'll probably be off in our alignment a little bit, and I'll fix that after we've run it one time. Then in my method call, I provide the data like so. And so you see we're off by, looks like 3 spaces. So let's fix that. We'll have 3 spaces right here. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces right here. 1, 2, 3. Try it again. We're still off by 1. So let's go ahead and fix it. Void methods can be used for all types of things. At this point in the course, it's really hard to demonstrate too many more complex uses of void methods. Although in the next lesson, I am going to introduce you to a particular type of problem that really needs to be solved using void methods. And in fact, why don't we just go ahead and stop with this lesson and move right on to that next one, where we're going to talk about writing a program to swap the value of 2 variables.